Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today we'll be having a look at how we can set up our liability waiver within Momoyoga, which basically ensures the safety of our yogis and protects our studio from any legal repercussions in the occurrence of an accident. To get started, we're gonna go and head over to the settings tab, and we are gonna go to liability waiver down here on the left. And we either have the option to enable the liability waiver or disable it. And to get started, we're gonna write our liability waiver. In the case of you not being sure what to put here, we have a webinar which explains all the details in regards to what to put into your liability waiver. And we will provide this within the link of the description. And when you're ready, we're basically able to save our document here. When we have enabled liability waiver, your yogis will automatically receive this waiver whenever they sign up to a class. In the case of you already having classes and having yogis going to your classes, they will have to agree to the waiver when they're going to go to your next upcoming class. They will be prompted by this. So there is no further setup for you. And that's basically everything in regards to setting up your liability waiver. And that was it for this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Let us know what you think. And if you want to know more about Momoyo, or if you have any other question, you can visit our help center. And if you enjoyed this video, we have many more videos like this covering a lot of different topics.